Hey guys, it's Issa. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are returning. Today I have a very exciting video. Well, it's personally one of my favorite things to talk about. If you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, you know that I love to talk about nails. And so today I'm going to talk to you guys about my nail care routine because, as you guys may know, there is a pandemic going on, guys, and actually you know, the nail salons have just started to open back up and things of that nature, but I'm still not going to go to the nail salon because you don't know who's infected and who's not, you know what I'm saying? And you can clean the gel machines, you can clean the, you know, utensils that you use, like the nail files. You can use new nail files and things of that nature, but you can't clean the nail polish. You know what I'm saying? You can't clean that. So I will not be going to get my nails done as of right now. I'm probably not going to get my nails done for like 6 months to a year. Every time that I go to a nail tech or something like that, they always end up doing damage to my nails instead of actually helping my nails. But anyways, so I like to take the proper precautions for my nails to grow. Therefore, I like to just take care of them myself, and I'll go to a nail tech if there's a specific nail art type of look that I want to do that I don't know how to do. That's when I go to them. These are some must-haves that you should have for your own nail care routines at home. The first thing that I have here is the Tropical Shine nail file, and this is what it looks like. Obviously, it has been used. So I'm going to tell you guys, as of right now, this nail file is only meant to be used once, okay? These are the type of nail files that you can't really clean. I mean, I'm not sure if you could clean these. They are not reusable. However, if it's yours, you know, I would go ahead and reuse it a couple times. As you guys can see, these are the lines that have been used, and so it's hard to shape the nail when this part has already been used. So I would recommend getting like a glass nail file, but if you can get your hands, like, you can file your nails in this area right here, you should be okay. Anything that's white, it kind of makes it more difficult to file. My cuticle cutter, it looks like this, or cuticle nipper, whatever you guys like to call it. Now, I know this is going to make some people cringe. I cut my cuticles after I paint my nails. I kind of like to paint my nails first and then go and cut my cuticles. I know, it's so backwards, but you know, that's just me. My first staple product that I absolutely love for my nails at the moment is the OPI Infinite Shine Conditioning Primer. This is what I use as a base coat for my nails. I absolutely love this nail product right here. At first, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just use a base coat. Like, it's no need for a primer. Like, what do you need a primer for? You know what I'm saying? But I honestly personally feel that primers and dehydrators are so important for your manicure to last a long time. I know people say you only use primer when you're using gel or when you're using like acrylic and stuff like that, but I feel like using a dehydrator prior to putting your nail polish on works just as well. Like, it helps your manicure stay a lot longer. Now, this is why I like to clean my nails with acetone. So this is really my first step. I'll clean my nails with acetone. I like to use acetone because of the fact that it dehydrates your nails. I feel like it's super important to dehydrate your nails so that your nail polish has something to like adhere to. I will say this, some people don't like to take their nail polish off with acetone because it is drying to the nail, but for me, I take precautions to make sure that my nails are strong and healthy, so I can use acetone. You want to go ahead and try to find any type of base coat that is like a sticky base coat. That will work perfectly well for your nails. After that, I take the time to make sure that my nails stay strong and healthy. So I will go ahead and use Instant Artificials. This is a long time favorite product of mine. However, there is an Instant Artificials that is like a Sally Beauty brand that I think is better than this one. I like them both. You can apply 2 coats of Instant Artificials if you are wearing it as just a regular polish and you're going to put a top coat on top. But I apply 1 coat because it can be used as a base coat. And because I already have a layer of OPI's primer underneath, I only use 1 coat of Instant Artificials on my nails. And as you guys can see, my nails do not bend. They're pretty strong. They keep my nails pretty strong. And I really like it for my nails. And I just like to take my time and go ahead and, you know, paint them. And I'll apply 1 coat of that. After I apply my 1 coat of Instant Artificials, the color that I'm wearing right now is called Carry On Blue. And this is the step 1 to Sally Hansen's gel polish. I'm not a fan of Sally Hansen's nail polishes, as you guys may know already. I said that on my channel a couple times. I'm trying to give them the benefit of the doubt, and I will go ahead and apply 1 coat of this. I will let it dry for about 10 to 15 minutes to make sure that my first layer of polish is dry. Of course, if you're busy, I would just, you know, do 2 coats immediately. But if you want your polish to last longer, I would go ahead and take the time to just, you know, chill. I take this time to watch YouTube videos, listen to music, and just spend time by myself and, you know, enjoy my own company. And so I would go ahead and apply 2 coats of this, like I said, and just go ahead and wait and give your nails some time to dry in between coats. I have trouble angling my camera to film these kinds of things, so I apologize if I was not able to show you correctly how I apply my nail polish, but there are plenty of videos that show you how to paint your nails perfectly, and it just takes practice. Like, I can paint my non-dominant hand perfectly and it's not going to be an issue, you know, because I've practiced. But at first, it was hard. So then I want to go in with my cleanup brush. I have a white cleanup brush that I use to clean up around my cuticles in case I made any mistakes. And I absolutely love this cleanup brush, and I clean it up with acetone. I wouldn't use anything else unless I ran out of acetone to clean my nails. The next step is the most important step out of everything that I just told you, okay? This is like, I can't go without. I cannot paint my nails without this right here, without the top coats, okay? So I'm back. It's been about an hour, believe it or not. And once again, I apologize about the angle of the video. It's about to get dark, so I just want to go ahead and finish filming this video like today. Out the door. So out the door goes next. I like out the door for its glitter. This is the only reason I bought the out the door. It's like a holographic top coat. You guys can't really see it much. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but it has like a holographic finish to it. So I believe that out the door will give you like a semi-matte finish. It's not matte, but it's not super shiny either. In terms of longevity, I'm not a huge fan of its longevity. Like, it chips and it has a lot of tip wear almost immediately after like 2 or 3 days. So you would have to keep reapplying, and even if you keep reapplying, then that would technically mean that you're causing your nail polish to chip because you're just building layers and layers on top of layers. The OPI Infinite Shine Gloss Brilliant Top Coat. Well, there's a glare, so I don't know if you guys could see that or not, but you're gonna see it in my video clips. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but this is the OPI Infinite Shine that comes along with this primer, which is obviously OPI Infinite Shine as well. I like this top coat because of the fact that it is long lasting. The shine is good too. Yeah, I have no complaints. Like, I just really like it. I just wish that it would be extremely shiny. It's not like glossy, but it does give a good shine, and you would have to keep touching up that shine as the days go by. So, the other polish that I have here is the Seche Vite top coat, and this is the most popular top coat out there known to man. If you want to go ahead and do your nails, you can definitely get you some Seche Vite. I like Seche Vite. The only problem that I have with Seche Vite is when it comes to application and things of that nature, it just is very complicated because you can paint your nails and they will look perfect when you paint them, but then like after they dry, if you did not paint your nails properly, you can see that the polish kind of separates, which is something that I don't like when it comes to my polish. I like for all my polish to be layered evenly, and I just feel like you have to be very careful with your application. But my favorite top coat that I really like is called the OPI Jailbreak. I do not have it with me, but I'm just trying to give you guys some different alternatives. You can go ahead and order this online, which I don't know why it's so hard to find, but I don't know if it's discontinued or not. But I love OPI Jailbreaks. It's so amazing. If you want to get it for the low, like I got this polish at the OPI Primer. I should have just bought all of them that I saw there for about half the price as the OPI Infinite Shine. I got it at TJ Maxx. I paid $10 for this at Sally's approximately. No, I paid $5 because of a discount, but $5 for this at TJ Maxx. If you have a TJ Maxx near you that is open, because I do know that the stores are opening back up, make sure you go ahead and check TJ Maxx because they have lots of polishes there for you to check. One more thing that I forgot to mention before I conclude this video was this Cuticle Oil that I got from Amazon, and it's so cute. I just apply this as my last step to finish my manicure, and I'll apply some hands and feet lotion by Soap and Glory, I believe it's called, which you guys will see in the footage down below. But I like this oil because of the fact that it has like it has flowers in there, and it smells so good. Like, it smells amazing. It makes me feel more feminine and things of that nature. So yeah, there's no way that you can not do this at home. You know what I'm saying? This is super easy, and I just love all the products that I buy, and I enjoy picking out products for myself to take care of my hair, my skin, and my nails. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah!